What's up, YouTube? Back to me again with another unboxing for you guys. And today it's a double unboxing for you guys. And I got you guys a pair of Nike Mercurial Vapor 17 Elite in the AG Pro plate, and then the Nike Mercurial Zoom Superfly 11 Elite in AG Pro. These are the newest colorway from the Breakout pack from Nike. So I'll do the review for the Vapor 17 first. So it comes with this white Nike box, same for both, with a Nike logo swoosh on the upper part. Inside, so I got these from Dick's Sporting Goods. So they came with this plastic bags. Not plastic, but it's not it's not the normal string bags. It's like what you get from the Cosmic Speed versions. It feels plasticky with black string and black Nike swoosh logo. And then here is the main one, which is the Nike Mercurial Vapor 17 Elite in size 10.5. So it's just, the colorway is just pink and white, which creates a perfect combinations for this World Cup. I love how the pink colorways looks on football boots or soccer cleats. So as you guys can see, the upper is made from the Atom knit. Basically, they use very thin fly knit or something like fly knit, and they try to stretch it out as much as possible, as thin as possible, so you can see it. And then they got rid of the grip knit, so but they still have this grip texture on the white part, but nothing much on the pink part. And then they also took out the zoom unit from the Vapor from the last generations, Vapor 16. So it's very light for this pair. So it says Fly Light, lightweight plate systems. So they changed very thin outsole, so you can actually see the insole inside. So you take out this air zoom unit. You got the Mercurial Vapor insole. Very light, only 150 grams. Here's the other pair. You still have the ACC, all conditions. You got all pink on the upper, on the top half, and then white on the bottom. You got the Atom knit. These are the heels. Got the Mercurial running along the heels. Insole, you got the Mercurial Vapor insole. Here's the outsole, very thin outsole, as you guys can see, the AG plate. And then very flashy, I would say, which creates a very nice look to it. And again, I'm a fan of pink cleats. So, then move on to the other pair, which is the Nike Mercurial Zoom Superfly. So in here they give you extra pair of insole for the Mercurial Superfly, same for the one that you got for the Vapor. However, let's take the cleats up real quick, and I think they got the same string bags like the Vapor, nothing much. Here comes the new Nike Mercurial Zoom Superfly 11 Elite AG Pro variations. So the difference there's a big difference between the Vapor and the Superfly. First is the outsole. I would say the outsole. It gives you this big air zoom unit on the toe box, um, under the toe box, basically on the front. Basically, when you wear it, you will feel the air zoom. It will it will be like a trampoline under your foot. When you when you run, it will create this bouncy feeling for you. Um, so basically, this is more for the explosive speed compared to the thin upper lightweight Vapor 17. This is built for speed, explosive speed, responsiveness. The upper is made from this material called Fly Weave Ultra. Basically, also a very thin, built for lock. So basically, lock you up for top speed. Um, and then the air zoom basically gives you more energy when you run. Basically, bouncy feeling. Then it gives you this insole. Another difference is the Zoom X insole from the Nike Zoom X runner shoes. Basically, it gives you more of this support when you run. The pair, you still have this ACC. You got the pink on the front half of the pairs, and then white on the back. You have this Mercurial air zoom. Then Superfly on the heel. I tried both on. Oh, by the way, this upper part on the midfoot is not as stretchy as the Vapor 17, but I feel like when I wear these, I tried them both on feet, and I feel like I like the feeling of the Vapor more because it gives me like this traditional feeling of the Nike Mercurial Vapor. It fits very well. I know that the Superfly has a wider fit compared to the Vapor. So if you have wide feet, it's okay. I go up half a size, but I think I can go true to size without any discomfort of the snug fit. Um, the upper is definitely thinner on this pair. The stretchy mid part in the midfoot is basically more stretchy compared to this material up here. It's not as stretchy, but the feeling is that this fits wider than this. And yeah, that's it for my unboxing, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to leave a like to this video and subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you. Peace.